A new Georgia law that took effect July 1st is changing how the state delivers public mental health care. Atlanta Bureau Chief Archith Seshadri reports.
A new state law is reshaping Georgia's community service boards, the regional network of clinics that provide mental health, substance use, and developmental disability services. The biggest change is the commissioner will now appoint the executive directors who oversee those clinics instead of local county boards. State leaders say the goal is to create a more consistent system of care across Georgia while also strengthening accountability. The law also highlights Georgia's growing crisis response network, including mobile crisis teams that can respond to people experiencing a mental health or substance abuse emergency.
So we have mobile crisis teams that can be dispatched 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. They can come out for an adult, a child, anyone who needs the service. We dispatch about 1,750 of those every single month here in Georgia. We typically are able to respond within an hour.
The state says it operates about 25 crisis centers across Georgia, offering stabilization and treatment options for people experiencing mental health, suicidal thoughts, or substance use disorders.
Someone who may be suicidal may be a great place for that person to go and get stabilized. It could be someone who has a mental health diagnosis and maybe their medication's unregulated and they need to get stabilized on their medication. They can go for that purpose. Could also be someone maybe who has addiction issues that wants to get help with their addiction and find a way to get into recovery, and they can go to the crisis center. So whatever level that the person needs, that's kind of the entry point into the system. If they need a longer term stay or additional services, the good thing is our crisis centers are able to connect them to longer term care.
State leaders say they are working with local leaders to ensure services continue without interruption as the new governance structure takes effect. Reporting in Atlanta, Archith Seshadri, Atlanta Bureau Chief.